Hey guys, Game & Glory 123 here, and today I will be doing the third part of the Mega Man tutorials. It's been a while since I've done these, but we're doing the third part now, and we're gonna add shooting. And yeah, so first thing we want to do is we're just gonna quickly get our costumes for Mega Man. We're gonna get his shooting ones. So we need these 5 ones here. So we'll start with shoot, like just normal. Just copy this, duplicate the idle, and call it shoot. And then paste it in. And you want to make it so that Mega Man's feet are in the exact same position between them, so that it looks as seamless as possible. Yeah, perfect. And you can just delete the stand, and then you should have the shoot there. And then you just want to do that for each one, but for their corresponding move sprites. So for run 1, we're gonna duplicate that, run, and then we'll just add a dash, shoot it, just to make it easier to, so it's easier to find. And we gotta try and get it in the same position. Perfect. Now we've got first run there, and then obviously the second run is just also the fourth one, so we'll just do run, run, shoot 2, there. And then we'll just paste it, put it in exactly how we did the other ones. Delete the original, and we'll also duplicate it here, but make it run shoot 4. And finally, run 3, run shoot 3. And we'll put this one in, and then after that we'll do the jumping one. That'll be us for the sprites. Actually, now we've got something else to do after that. Okay, so we just need the jumping one now. There. Goes there, there, chuck it there, and perfect. Now one more sprite we need to get is this one. Yes, we're going to be adding sliding as well. So just going to copy the idle. I have scratch add-ons so I can do that. So I'm just gonna put the slide relatively at the same position there. And we're gonna call it slide. And one more thing we are gonna add is ladders too. So we need to find the ladder sprite. There. You only need one. and also, well, the shooting as well. Over there, same position. There, we're gonna call this ladder, and then we're gonna duplicate it and flip it. This is actually how it does the ladders in the actual game. Just flips the sprite. And finally, we need the shooting one too. Wait, we should probably have it like this, so that when we actually do the proper ladder shoot, it's facing the correct direction. So that, go bang, and ladder shoot, and we need one more. We need to duplicate the hitbox. We'll drag it just above the ladder sprites, and we're gonna call this ladder hitbox. Now we're gonna click on here, hold Control, not Control, Alt or Shift. No, it's Alt. Okay, hold Alt there, so it's like that, and then make sure it's called ladder hitbox. There we go. So this is pretty much what we're gonna use to check if we're touching the ladders or not. And that should be us done for the sprites for now. So what we're gonna add first is the shooting. So where we left off, we've got this. Pretty good. So we're gonna add a new when green flag clicked here. Forever. If then, and we're gonna add if X is pressed. That's just, you can have it whatever key you want. I'm just having it Z and X. It's a nice layout. So if X is pressed, then we need to wait until not X is pressed. This is just standard. There. Then we can do create. We can paint a new sprite. We'll call it weapons. And then I've got this sprite backpacked, but it'll be in. I've got this costume backpacked, but it'll be in the description. It's the Mega Buster sprite. It looks a bit small on the stage, so we've got to up the size a bit. Yeah, that's about right. So we need to set it to 400. Okay, when I start as a coin, we're going to go to Mega Man, point in direction of Mega Man. So what this is gonna do, okay, so what I'm gonna do is go into Mega Man sprite and click on the shoot. Shoot's right here. Oh, make sure the project's stopped. Click on the shoot sprite. Now, we need to get the script so it's like perfectly at Mega Man. Also, I'm just gonna set it to don't rotate, so it looks the same direction all the time. So the little shiny bit on it, it's always the same. So we're gonna go to Mega Man, and we're going to go about 31 steps. Move 31 steps. And 2 pixels up. Perfect. That's directly on the barrel. So that's exactly where we want to go. And then we're going to repeat until I'm going to put an ore block here, touching edge, ore, and we're just going to leave this blank for when we make the enemies. We're going to move about 15 steps and then just delete this clone. And now we can go into Mega Man, go back to here and do create clone of weapons. So yeah, we now actually got shooting in, but the only problem is there's no cap, so if some player has an auto clicker or something, they're just gonna keep shooting. So we need to add a cap to it. So we're going to add a shots on screen variable, and we're going to change shots on screen. Oh, don't know what that one's doing there. Shots on screen by -1, and there when we delete it, and we're going to change shots on screen by 1 when we make it. So now it tells us how many shots are actually on screen. So from this we can actually make a cap. So we can check if it's less than 4. Oh wait. If shots on screen is less than 3, then we're gonna allow this. So now I'm just spamming at this point, and it won't actually let me. Yeah, it's not working, which is what we want. Now there's one thing, this little one here. We don't want this showing, so we're gonna do a quick when I start as a clone show and then hide it there. So even then it'll still work. Now we need to actually get Mega Man animating. Also, another thing we should probably do is just quickly go here, forever. If shots on screen is less than 0, just in case this happens, we're going to set it back to 0. That, and perfect. Now the only thing we need to do is actually make it so that, you know, Mega Man actually animates. Like, Mega Man actually animates while he's shooting. Because at the moment, it doesn't really look like, you know, so we're going to also quickly in this loop add if X is pressed. Gonna make a new variable, shooting, and we're just gonna set shooting to 0 just above it, and then we're gonna change shooting by 1 here, or just set it to 1. So now if we just start the script, it'll tell us if we're actually shooting. So now we can use this variable here. If shooting equals 1, then we're gonna shooting equals 1, and the jumping one, we're gonna get rid of this, put it in the if else, and swap it to jump shoot. And we're going to copy this if else, put it there, and then we need to find which frame our shooting run animation starts on. It is 9, so we can chuck it in there, like that. Replace that there. Copy this again. Idle. And idle. Shoot. Or just shoot. There. Now we've actually got animations when we shoot. Also, we should probably check if this is the case as well. Okay, yeah, no. It's fine if we hold it like this. So, we've got... What? Okay. We've got our like shooting sprite and stuff done. That's 17 minutes now, but that's fine. So, we can start on the sliding. Now, this is actually a very tricky one. I'll quickly add to the level slightly. Just wait. 4 outline. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So we're gonna have. So if I quickly stop the game, I'm just gonna move Mega Man over a bit, so he's inside there. I'm gonna set our costume to the hitbox, and it doesn't actually look like he'll be able to fit in there. So we're gonna make a new hitbox just under the shooting sprites, but above the sliding one. We need to call this slide hitbox, and we're just gonna shrink it down a bit. So that Mega Man can actually slide under there. I might actually shrink this down slightly more. There. Okay. Bang. Okay. So now, the thing is with this now is that it's not actually doing anything. But where it says switch costume to hitbox, we set a slide hitbox, we can suddenly not go under there. Oh, what did I do wrong? I'll get rid of the set costume real quick to see what I'm doing. Whoa. Okay, I forgot we do that. Okay, there. I forgot. This is just a slight bit too low for him. Now I can add back in that. And let's make it slightly lower. Perfect. So, Mega Man can fit under there now, if we set a slide hitbox. The only thing is that he's not sliding. So we need to set it back to the normal hitbox there. And we need to make him actually be able to slide. we're gonna add a slide block there. And then we're gonna check if... Right, so we're gonna check if we're touching the level first. Gonna quickly just do -1. If touching level, we need to check if Z is pressed. We'll put it in a different order actually. If Z is pressed, and if key down is pressed. There. So it's the jump key and the down key. We're gonna set sliding, which is a new variable. We'll quickly set it to 0 at the top here. Also, we should add an input on the slide is gonna last. So for now, let's go 15. And then we're gonna do set sliding to frames. And then if sliding is higher than 0, just up in here, we're gonna change sliding by -1. There. And now if sliding is higher than 0, well, we need less. If sliding is not higher than 0, just gonna chuck those scripts there, and we're good. However, when we actually try to slide, the game breaks a bit. So, we need if then else. We need to make it an if then else and not an if. And then we're gonna put the code for sliding in here. So, we are going to we're gonna pretty much just get the direction of the player. Okay, so if it is 90, because our directions are 90 or -90, we're gonna check if the direction... Oh, yeah, we should check if the direction is greater than 0. Greater than -1. So if we're facing right or left. So this will be if it's moving us right. We're going to change X by 10. Otherwise we're going to change X by -10. Then we're also going to... I'm just gonna go here, and if touching level, because right now we shouldn't be touching the level. If we are touching the level, then we're gonna change X by -10 and set sliding to 0. There, like that. And then we're also going to do the same thing for the other one. There. And our sliding should be in. So our sliding should work how we want it. So then also we need to check. We need to set slide. So if it's an else, we need to chuck this here as well. So that'll actually let us slide now. The only thing is, we may actually want to add these scripts back in as well. There. And we need to check if gravity is higher than 0 as well. Okay. So we're gonna quickly change y by 3 there, and change y by -3. I think that might break something, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's definitely breaking something. So I'm gonna quickly get rid of those. We need to set jumping. Falling is less than 2 in the jump. So now, this will stop us. Wait, never mind. We're gonna set falling to 2 here. There. Wait. There. Okay. Yes. Okay. Looks like it's working. We should also probably do these scripts last. Like that. Gravity jump. Oh. Oh. Wait, what? Okay, we need to make it so we can actually jump out of this. So we need to get rid of this falling here. Okay. This one stumped me. But nonetheless, I'll see if we can find the solution. But for now, let's just keep it simple and we'll fix up we'll fix up all the stuff afterwards. Also, we'll check if falling is greater than 1, we're going to set sliding to 0. So that'll just check if we're actually falling. So we can't actually fall off a cliff now. Okay, so how far are we into the video? Ooh, 30 minutes, okay. So I'm gonna quickly just go here, and if is greater than 0, I'm gonna put sliding there, set frame to 0, switch costume to slide, and we're just gonna move all of this over there, and we should, yeah, and we can slide under small gaps too. Cool. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Okay, cool. We've got sliding in. The only problem is that we can shoot while we're sliding. So, we can fix that easily by just going here and also checking if sliding is less than 1, or just, yeah, sliding is less than 1. Then we'll let it do the thing, and you can't shoot while you slide. Perfect. If you manage to stand up during a slide. Okay, so yeah, if you manage to stand up during a slide, it still just shoots you off. So what we're gonna do is switch costume to hitbox. Oh wait, slide hitbox. Do the movement. And then if touching level still, if we're touching the level still, that'll mean we're touching it from the top. So, but first we need to put set costume to regular hitbox, check if we're touching the level. And then if we are, we're gonna set, we're also gonna do we're also gonna quickly go here. I'm gonna change the script here. I'm gonna set costume to normal hitbox. If we're touching the level, then we are going to set. Wait, so if we're not touching the level, we're just gonna change sliding by -1. Alright. We'll do it here actually. We're gonna change it by 1, so it counts as it. And then we're gonna set it back to slide hitbox. And that should mean that we can't actually get stuck in between it now. Yes, perfect. 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 And our sliding scripts are done. So now, all we need to do in this video left is ladders. Now I haven't actually got the ladders, like the ladder sprites in yet, so I'm just gonna quickly grab those now. Sprites, a very good website for Mega Man sprites. We need to look for Mega Man 2 and tile sets. This isn't what it's meant to look like normally, but yeah, I don't know, it's just glitching out for me at the moment, so, you know. I'm just gonna quickly download these ones. I'll save images, and then Mega Man 2 tile set, Wily 1 tile set, perfect. Go back in here, upload costume, get this, and then I'm gonna set the blue to nothing and just copy this. Okay, so our ladder is now in the game. Might resize that though. It's a bit small. That seems about right. So I'm just gonna make a quick ladder here. Drag these over. Now the only thing with the ladder in this is that it acts a bit weird. We're gonna have to use like a separate script for this. Or now we can actually do it in the same thing, but ladders act a bit weird. Or they just don't, they're a bit we're just gonna rename this ladders. So for now, we're just gonna make a new variable ladder, and by default, we're gonna set it to 0 again. And then, like that, it's perfect. Well, no. So if I stop the game and switch the sprite to ladder, hopefully. Yes, Mega Man's like the perfect size on it. Cool. So, now we're gonna quickly do forever if touching Mega Man, set ladder I am touching to the x coordinates of the ladder. So that's perfect. I'm going to set it to 0 there. I'm gonna quickly check if ladder I'm touching equals X position. So that's just gonna reset it to 0. So that's just gonna reset it at the end. Perfect. So remember to have it in this order. Like that order. Now, we are gonna add the actual, like, proper code to let Mega Man actually climb on the ladders. So we're gonna again make a new block, call this climb ladder. And then we're going to set costume to ladder hitbox. And if we're touching the ladder, then we are going to set ladder to 1. We're going to set ladder to 0 here. We're touching ladder, we're going to set it to 1, just like that. And then if we're touching ladder, or if ladder equals 1, then we're gonna move these scripts down here. And also we need to add if key up pressed to it too, so the ladder knows it's actually being climbed. Also we need to check if ladder equals 0. And this is just going to make sure we don't let go of the ladder, which is actually what we want. Okay. So, we're just going to quickly check if we are touching ladder there. And then we are going to set X to ladder I'm touching there, so it should automatically snap us to the ladder, to the center, and perfect. And then we need to add if key up arrow press and key down arrow press to raise and lower the player. We're just going to change Y by about 6 and -6, so it's fast. We should also check if touching, yeah. Okay. Okay, so we need to check if we're touching the level, then that obviously means we've actually let go of the ladder, and we need to set ladder to 0 there. Okay. We need to set some ladder hitbox as well there. There. Whoa, I made it lag out. Okay. So we're going to set player full speed to 0 there. And hopefully I might bring it in a bit. There. I might just copy. I might just... Actually, I might just make the ladder hitbox the normal hitbox. It'll make things a lot easier. With collisions and everything. 5 down. Yep. Perfect. So the only thing is... we need to check... if... we're not touching ladder. Then we are going to set ladder to 0 again. And we also need to check if key Z is pressed, and then we also need to set ladder to 0. And I think that'll be perfect. Okay. Okay. So that kind of works. The only thing is that we actually still fall through the ladders, but that's good for now. And now we just need to get the animation working. Okay, we need to check if shooting equals 0. And then we are going to... wait, okay, we're going to put rotation style left right here. And we're going to put if shooting equals 0. Shooting is... if we're not shooting, then we're going to set rotation style to no, it's fine. We'll copy the code from here for our looping. And then we're just going to 17 mod 2. And then we're just going to oh wait, wrong thing. We just set it to that here. Like that. Perfect. Back to normal. And the only thing we'll do now is change frame by, let's go 0.25. So every 4 frames of the game, it'll change the animation. I think that's a bit too fast, so 0.125. And I think let's go 0.1. Will be perfect. Yes. Maybe 0.2. Okay. Now, just here, we're gonna do if shooting equals 0, and then we're just gonna put this in here. Otherwise, we're just going to switch costume to let us shoot, but we are not going to set frame to 0. What we are going to do though is we're going to find the run stuff here, and then get rid of this and get rid of this and this. So that's just a point of directions. So now we can. So now look like this. Wait, we should probably make it so that when I'm moving, it actually climbs properly. Perfect. And we've got letters. Yay! Perfect. Now, because we did it like this, the thing with this like this, we gotta boom like that. If we want to have multiple, we're gonna have to make clones. So just gonna hide this, start as a clone show. So just gonna put one there, and we're also gonna put one here too. $118 is perfect. $97, $118, and perfect. So now I hide this. The only thing is that Mega Man's behind it. That's fine. Start will go back 2 layers and like that. Wait. We'll just go back 2 layers. Like that. And we are able to climb ladders now. And I think that'll cap off the video for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We added a lot today. We pretty much just finished up Mega Man's movement. I may add charge shots and other weapons sooner. Oh, actually, there is one more thing I want to do before we go. Did you notice that while we're sliding, if you actually manage to, if you actually do manage to like go under one of these smaller bits, it actually extends your slide a bit. So it extends your slide while you do the thing. So what we're gonna do is just, if we're just gonna set it there, change sliding by -1, and if it's less than 1, we're then gonna check it. So only if it's less than 1 will we actually check it. So we should actually like properly get up at the start. There, like that. Perfect. And yeah, I think that'll cap off the video for us today. And I hope you all enjoyed it. I know I did. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Added, finished all the code for Mega Man, except for some weapons, and we did that. So next we're going to add enemies and some other stuff too. Enemies and sound effects. Hope you enjoyed, and see you later. Bye!